Hi guys, thanks for watching another one of our videos. Today, I'm going to share with you a money-making website that pays you up to $30 per hour, and it's the easiest work you'll come across. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our Make Money Online uploads. We upload daily, you don't want to miss out. Okay, so let's head over and visit a site called HelloPingPong.com. Pingpong is a tester community website. You earn money for testing websites and services from some of the world's most recognizable brands. Don't skip any of this video so you don't miss out on any of the information. You earn money for every research session that you complete, from $10 to $100 for each session. Pingpong is great for some extra pocket money. They are trusted by more than 175,000 people. Your feedback really matters and directly shapes the future of our world. Share your honest opinion and help companies build products. Learn about exciting new products and ideas and spend your time in a meaningful way helping companies shape the future. There's nothing more fulfilling than being heard. So what are the requirements to take part in this? All you need is a computer with a cam and a mic, and a stable internet connection. Companies will pay you good money to share your experiences with them. They have a great track record of payment and some great reviews. This website is a big favorite for the Making Money Online community. All you need to do is click on Become a Tester, and you'll be taken to a screen which asks for more information about you. Then, you sit back and wait for your first job. Want to know a way to maximize your online earnings? Then make sure you check out our other videos, because, used in combination, you can start making some serious online income for the easiest work imaginable. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and so you don't miss any of our daily uploads. Until next time, aim high.